Okay, today we are going to see how to test a alternator. We are going to start with the easiest one of the easiest one, the one of City Golf. The alternator is a generator who transforms a mechanic force into electricity. Let's see how to test it. First, we have to get our ground that we connect to the alternator by itself. Then on the alternator we have two pins. We have the smallest one and the big one. The big one is the one who brings the power from the battery to the alternator, and the smallest one is the one for the battery light, whose signal on the dashboard that your alternator is connected through the light on the dashboard. So when this wire is connected, it sends the signal to the cluster to show you the battery light. So if your battery light doesn't come on, it means either this wire is not connected or the alternator by itself have a problem. So let's see how it's working. First, we have to take our ground and put on the alternator by itself. Secondly, we have to have a bulb. Check there. We have a bulb there. On this bulb, we connect two wires. Take one of them, connect to the positive cable. The second wire, you connect it to the small pin on the alternator. You connect it here so that your light can come on. You can see there the light is on. So that is to say that the alternator can send the signal to the dashboard and put on your light. So next thing to do when you want to test it is what? To spin the alternator and see if that light go off. If that light go off, means that your alternator is charging, and if you put it on the car, you start the car, your battery light will go off. So let's spin it and see if that light will go off. Let's connect it properly first. Okay. Let's use some wire tied to the pulley and spin. When you spin, the light up there must go off, or at least must go dim, like it's going off, because maybe you don't have enough power to pull it, so it won't go off completely, but at least it can go dim. You see, when it's going dim, it means that if you pull it harder, it will go off completely. That is to mean that your battery light will go off when your car starts. Let's pull it once again and see. Okay, it means if you pull it harder, it will go off. Second thing to do to test, because some of these alternators, when the battery light go off, doesn't mean absolutely that is charging. So you have to test if the power is going to the battery, and to do that you use another second bulb that we have there on top. It's the same thing. You have two wires on it. Two wires. One, you connect it to your ground on the alternator, connect it here with the cable. The second wire, you connect it to your 13 plug, the main one, the one who brings the power to the alternator. So what will happen when you spin the alternator is that this one, the first light will go dim and the second one will come on. That to show that there is a power going to the battery. So let's spin it and see. how what is doing. Oh, sorry, cable is full. So let's spin it and see how it's doing. Yeah. Shine bright like a diamond. One more time. Shine bright like a diamond. It means the alternator is charging and your battery will be full. There is a power going to the battery so that your battery will always get power. So this is how to easily test the alternator. This one is the easiest one of the easiest one, the one for the City Golf, Jetta, and many others. VW. This is for VW only.